This is the smallest rhinoceros on Earth. And one of the oldest. The Sumatran rhinoceros. It once roamed across Southeast Asia. Now, only a few remain. Dense forests hide them. Isolation keeps them alive. But also keeps them apart. Poaching. Habitat loss. Silence. Some populations vanished before we even counted them. This species survived millions of years. But now depends on a few remaining individuals. If survival requires more than time. What happens when time runs out? Please like and subscribe for our next episode.